Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Mastery Insights, where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps to help you achieve financial freedom. Today we're tackling a big question that so many people ask. How can you build wealth when you have a low income? A lot of people think wealth is only for the rich, but the truth is, wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build wealth, even if your income is low. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. Mindset shift, think like the wealthy. The first thing we need to address is your mindset. If you believe that you can never be wealthy because of your income, then guess what? You're already setting yourself up for failure. The rich think in terms of opportunities, growth, and smart money moves, not just about how much they earn. Here's a fact. Some of the wealthiest people today started with nothing. Literally. They weren't born into wealth, but they understood a simple truth. Building wealth is a long game. It's not about luck. It's about strategy and consistency. Actionable step. Start seeing your income as a tool, no matter how small. Your job is to make that tool work for you. Here are 3 key mindset shifts to adopt. Delayed gratification. Wealthy people think long-term. This means avoiding unnecessary expenses today to build a better future tomorrow. Growth over comfort. If you're not learning and improving, you're staying stuck. Invest in personal development, even if it's just reading financial books or listening to educational podcasts. Opportunity focused. Instead of saying, I can't afford it, start asking, how can I afford it? This mindset shift encourages creative financial solutions. 2. Mastering the art of budgeting. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but let me tell you why budgeting is your secret weapon when you're earning a low income. Most people don't track their spending, and that's how money just disappears. But when you take control of your money, you'll realize that even a small income can be stretched to build wealth. Here's how to create a foolproof budget. Step 1. Track every dollar. For the next 30 days, track every expense. Yes, even that $2 coffee. Step 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, utilities, 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, 20% for savings and investments. If 20% feels impossible right now, start with 5% or 10% and increase it over time. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home, and eliminate impulse buying. Additional tips. Use cash for discretionary spending. Withdraw a set amount each month for non-essentials, and when it's gone, it's gone. Review and adjust monthly. Your financial situation will change, so make sure your budget evolves with it. This small habit will put you miles ahead of most people who don't budget at all. 3. Saving money like a pro. All right, now that you have a solid budget, let's talk about saving money, because savings are the foundation of wealth. But here's the trick. Don't just save money, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer that sends a portion of your paycheck to a savings account before you even see it. This way, you're not tempted to spend it. Pro tip. Open a high-yield savings account to earn more interest instead of just leaving your money in a regular account. Other smart ways to save money: meal prep and grocery planning. Cutting food waste can save you hundreds per year. Buy in bulk, non-perishable items, and essentials can be cheaper in larger quantities. Use cashback and coupons. Websites and apps like Rakuten and Honey help you save on everyday purchases. Reduce energy bills. Simple changes like using LED bulbs, unplugging unused devices, and adjusting thermostats can save money over time. And remember, even if you can only save $5 or $10 a week, it adds up over time. 4. Increasing your income. Now let's talk about the real game changer, earning more money. The reality is, you can only cut expenses so much, but your income, it has no limit. Here are 4 powerful ways to boost your income. 1. Side hustles. Freelancing, tutoring, selling digital products, or even starting a small business can give you extra cash flow. 2. Upskilling. Learn high-income skills like digital marketing, coding, or investing. The more valuable you become, the more money you can earn. 3. Negotiating your salary. If you have a job, research the market rate for your position and ask for a raise. The worst they can say is no, but often people leave money on the table simply because they don't ask. 4th, passive income sources. Invest in assets that generate income, such as dividend stocks or rental properties. Which one of these will you start today? Let me know in the comments. Smart investing strategies. Saving money is great, but here's the truth. You can't save your way to wealth. You need to invest. Now, I know investing sounds scary, especially if you don't have a lot of money. But here's the good news. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. Here's how to start, even with a low income. Stock market investing. Use apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance to start investing with as little as $5. Index funds and ETFs. Instead of picking individual stocks, invest in funds that track the overall market. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate with small amounts. Invest in yourself. The best investment is in your knowledge and skills. The more you learn, the more you earn. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. All right, let's wrap this up. Building wealth on a low income is possible, but it takes discipline, consistency, and the right strategies. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future wealth building tips. And tell me in the comments, which one of these steps will you start implementing today? See you in the next video.